Hey, I'm just another 28-year-old suffering from existential crisis. Of late, I've started to question myself for everything that's wrong with my life, and I'm in constant lookout for answers. People who have known me for quite some time, they know how prone I've been to injuries. But quite frankly, nothing major until 2013, when I actually had to undergo a shoulder arthroscopic surgery. But again, when that happened to me, I didn't take it very seriously. A month or two into my rehab, and I was back to normal. In 2014 is when I graduated, and then life happened to me. I really got carried away with my corporate life, making new friends and partying. Few years in, I was leading the most unhealthy life ever. Over the next few years, I survived through minor injuries and health issues like typhoid, anemia. Fast forward to 2019, I was suffering from lower back slip disc issue. If you have ever suffered herniated disc, you would know the pain that comes along with it. If that was not enough, I got IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. In layman's term, it's an issue with the large intestine and your body tends to become allergic to a lot of these things. My issue was a lot severe where I was losing out on a lot of blood from my body, and that made me take a break from my everyday hustle for 4 months. This was the first time I really had a different perspective on life. And quite frankly, I didn't expect much from 2020. This pandemic has changed life for millions and millions of people across the globe. But for me, it is very different. I dislocated my shoulder again on September 30th, and this time due to bone loss, I had to undergo another surgery. The procedure is called the Latarjet surgery. I really haven't had any experience dealing with so much pain, so that was new, and it left me this scar. I still like to believe I'm an optimist, and things would just get better from here on. But if there is just one thing that these injuries have given me, is the clarity of thought. I say this because I still vividly remember the feeling when they took me to the operation theatre, gave me anesthetic drugs, and when everything just blurs out, maybe for a split second, I was so scared, and all I wished for is my survival for the next few hours and prayed for nothing to go wrong. I had so much clarity that I would lead such a more fulfilling and would cherish every second of my life. That was a reminder for me that we do not have forever to achieve our dreams, whatever that might be. The right time to do something is right now.